Hello and welcome to Deep Sentinel. This video will illustrate how to change your property's monitoring hours for holidays on the Deep Sentinel Web App. After logging onto the site with the URL in the Setting Hours document you received, select your property from the Property Selection drop-down menu. Once your property is selected, click on Monitoring Schedule to update your property with the desired holiday hours. In this screen, select your property, then select the hub, and then finally select the camera or cameras to apply holiday hours. For this example, I will choose one camera. Let's say, for example, that we want to apply a monitoring schedule for New Year's Day 2026. To apply this new monitoring rule, change both the rule start date and the rule end date to January 1st, 2026. You can do this by either clicking on the calendar to change the dates or by manually typing in the dates right into this field. Next, select a start and end time. In this case, the start time would be midnight on January 1st, and the end would be 11:59 p.m. on January 1st. Then select a day. You can select all days or you can select any day. It doesn't matter as long as the rules start and end dates are correct. Finally, click on Escalate Events and then click on Save. Your monitoring hours are now set for the New Year's Day holiday. You can check the rule to make sure it's correct by reading this little box here that says that the dates are set for January 1st from midnight to 11:59 p.m. During these hours, our guards will be monitoring your property.